Here I am on the roof of Pelican Arch, and these are the places where we'll be putting the HVAC units. They're down into the gallery. Okay, still dawn coming at us, and just walk over here. These things are going away, these guys. We'll just cap these and have them not a problem. There's our retrofitting for the earthquake, and there's our crane down at the street level. Yep, it's gonna happen today. Donna's down there somewhere. Anyway, next step is getting these HVAC systems, one's over there, onto the roof.